So big greetings to all. Today we're going to be focusing on websites. So websites are amazing. They are what bring the interwebs together. And for a lot of us, it's what helps make your business possible. The first option is you hire a dev team and a design team, and they build out a bespoke site for you, which looks amazing. It takes 6 months and costs you $1 million. The second option is you look at a WordPress template. It costs you $30. You can crack it together in about 2 weeks, and it'll work quite well. Third option, probably webflow. Also nice and easy. You're going to spend $16 a month, $15 somewhere around there to host it decently, but you'll get it up and running also in about 2-3 weeks. It works well. SEO is not bad. And a new entrant to the market, our friends at Canva. And when I say Canva, I'm sure all of you look the other way, but let me show you how we can take a website from nothing to production in under 7 minutes. Let's go. So you'll see that the video is a little bit fast because I've put this 2 times, otherwise we'll be here forever. So what I've done is I have signed up to Canva, brand new account. I've gone into it, I'm searching for a website template that I can use to build. I'm going to try and get a little bit more specific about the type of template I want. And as you can see, there are tons of templates. I think there were a couple of, about 800 or so when I lost. So you go through, and it's quite a simple process. You really are just going to go and try and find a template that suits you or suits your business. Again, you can change all the colors, you can change the fonts, backgrounds, you name it, and add functionality to that as well. So here we go. We're going to go pick, we'll go and pick this website template here. And I'm only going to use a single page just for the demonstration, but effectively you can use 7, 8, 10, whatever amount of pages. So we're going to create a company called Random Molecule. So you can see now I'm busy just setting up the website from the template. We're going to edit the text. Every single component again is editable. You can bring your own stuff in, your own graphics, your own logos, your own CI completely from the ground up. And Canva supports 2 types of publishing. So you can either publish as on their side of things in terms of a new domain. So you can ask them to create a domain for you. You can buy a domain from them, or you can link an existing domain. So if you use one of the registrars like namecheap.com, you can link it through DNS, the good old link a text, create a CNAME, and away you go. Literally, I did one earlier this week. The whole thing took less than 10 minutes. So here we go. We've now finished creating a Random Molecule website from the ground up. Let's change a couple of things. I'm not happy with that font. Let's link it to make it the same font. We're going to go through to publishing. I'm going to use the free component because I'm cheap. My pockets are deep in my hands. My arms are short. And click, click, bang, bang. We create our URL, which is Random Molecule, and because this is not a vanity URL, it's sitting on top of Canva. It does look a little bit cheesy, but again, it's free. So yeah, we've got a maximum amount of characters we can use in the page description. Remember, SEO is always important, so put the right information in there so Google links it. You can also put a password on the site if you don't want people to see it. And there we go. Done. Under 7 minutes, we've got a full website up and running and published. Thanks very much.
Check out